We are not feeling well because the mother, I think she knows the truth. You can't gain a weight while you're losing a child. Why she's gaining a weight while you're losing a child? If you lose a child, most you have a stress. You're supposed to lose the weight, but instead of she's gaining the weight and she's happy most. I think Kelly Smith, she knows the truth.
Ndicole ngale ID kaTahil Abdi Mwalim. Ndimkhangele ke ndamfumana ke my friend uthi ungwalapha eSouth Africa. Xa ndimbuza uba le ndawo ibhalwe eSomali ibithetha ukuthini, uthi hayi ungwalapha eSouth Africa kwenziwa impazamo eHome Affairs.
Iyavuza i-ANC ivuza vu.
Molweni bafethu, I hope everybody's doing great. Wherever you're watching this video from, it is salute lapho. Welcome back to your favorite channel. Namhlanje njengesiqhelo bafethu, we have nothing but the best. Let's check it out.
Kulumela ngisho ukudla bawudla uthi uyamosha bakudla yena uyonga dot uhlala emzini womuntu akancane mehamba aphuma ngiyakhiya ngishiya umuntu la ngishiya ngidi awuthi kuzu awuza kubamba lo mleze bona hey pasó Nasesiphethe amafika manje phela. Mfasele nini? Masiba comment.
Utuqala nombona? Kuba umjili umgama lakho mthanakho. Andimazi negama lakhe, ungambuze la ngoku ta. Akalazi negama lami, ungadluloste engqondweni mntana. Mina nikhawulela
Nibanjiwa nazani ngo.
Fetisas Mountain tablet enja number 2 mkhonto kwaza bembube. Yeah baba you flanda locks ngimanazi. Yay man yene. We shot on toes my court number 2 Patasas Mountain 45 tablet enja mkhonto kwaza bembube ezweni labathakathi. Yeah baba benkosi yami you can live yeah baba yeah baba Yemanzini abilayo.
Exe.
Ngihlele emanzini abilayo Nkosi yami. Ye Nkosi yami. Khuluma nami Jesu. Ngihlele emanzini abilayo.
ofuma George.
Lyrics zomprofeti. Abaprofeti bayarehesa qala before benze umsebenzi wabo. What?
Yazi impofu maJoja, yazi impofu maJoja.
Hey fans the Chiefs nedrama. Thakatha live. Exe.
Mara ngathi bakuhlabile ngara mfundisi.
Go, eDanyati. Ngeke.
Mfundisi nento ongangitshela yona kahle la. Mara manje ngibona imark la. Yazi le mark ukuthi isho ukuthini eyiboshweni. Ore bantwini abayazi into yaseDanyani.
Yeah.
Le mark isho ukuthini?
Ukuthi ngusister.
Yabona iyashintsha le ikhuluma nale.
Fundisi.
But what made him name it 300 rand?
No man, it's a tall man. It's 300 rand to get to Mitchell's Plain from here.
Sorry.
It's 300 rands. Uthini lo mfo? Why uhlinza bafo?
Footman, why are you eating this stuff?
I'm supposed to.
My baby eating this stuff, but why are you eating this stuff?
From 8 months.
No, you are not 8 months.
From, not 8.
From, not from.
To,
but you are not, no.
From 8 to 200.
You still a baby. Yo, groet man.
Als ik jou hoor aan toe doen. Ai man.
Too much experience. Yeah. Yo. Jiku waste ke ngokulamana. Kubani orongo bafethu. Give that man a beer. He deserve it. Okay, le class yakhe isagcwele wes. Hayi bo ladies. Siphi ngoku? Ifamily yayeka yonke lento yenzeka. Abo Clint Eastwood, ama-cowboy.
Gege, ngizotrenda. Never sisi now. No,
Bafethu ngimele la kwile crime.
Hayibo.
Ngimele bachimbozi.
Afethu.
And ngimele aba-outside ngincanywa nonke.
Fethu.
Akekho umuntu ongalimele. Ngimele nonke.
Abathakathi bamanje abasakuthakatheli ukubulala. Sebevele bakwenza isidakwa nje. Udakwa isonto lonke, udakwa inyanga yonke, udakwa unyaka wonke. Wena wazi uyitshela ukuthi uphila i-soft life.
Bese bengibekele namanzi.
Hayi kathali bamba ngabadidele. Hayu, kahlamba qita kwathu. Antsika. Apa hlamba lo ngicacile.
Ndiye ndaye naseshop ndakuthengela ilanduki iitawulo ezintsha ukuba ubukhale ngeetawulo ezona. But ndizibe ndithengile ndazibeka phaa kangihlambi kodwa amanzi abile awodwa.
Ukangilindele manje nakuhlambi.
Wena Emapele ko sekolong nona no nyaka go ba eng ha o hola no ipuditse gore o ba eng doctor lepodisa
Ne ke batla go nna yone ntho. Le sangoma, ne ke batla go nna le sangoma.
hello Strobani
Ne ke batla go nna le sangoma.
Yaxoko alostro. Zange nadibana nomuntu othi ufuna uba sesangoma xa emdala. Mkhathile uzuma le. Eh, uZuma now uyajonga ba, hey man, I don't see my name. Ithi hayi ndim, you can see by yona is excited. I hope you enjoyed today's video bafethu. If you want more similar content, make sure that you do subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Sure.